We need sharper drill bits.
Do you?
No, I don't want to drill all drill bits.
Oh, do drill bits. Do you want to clean off the thermal paste on that? Well, you're doing something. You know what I mean? Almost left it.
So while there's that, we're going to be doing a bit of foam plate cleaning. And like seriously think about some of this stuff. Do this one down here. Do. Sorry for any shakiness of the camera. It's sitting on that kitchen rolls. I'll tell you something, this is one big gloop of mess.
I have drill bits.
You have drill bits. Now I'd like you to explain something to me.
What's that?
How did you get something in there?
Well, I didn't. Because it wasn't there when I put it in.
Well, it was there when I pulled it out.
That looks like thermal paste.
Well, that could probably explain why it's on the bottom of your thing as well.
Well, that definitely wasn't there, otherwise it wouldn't have worked.
Well, I've literally just picked this up off the towel.
Well, you probably had some on the towel. And instead of trying to wipe it, use the isopropyl alcohols. But do that after I've finished drilling, because sparks and doesn't end well. Okay, is the microphone muted?
It will be in a moment.
Okay.
So, do we have a toothpick or anything to get that a little bit out?
I'll sort that out later. You ain't
Right.
going near my fucking socket. Not with your clumpy hands and a toothpick near pins. Come on.
Fair point. Mirroring. There you go.
See? We've got a drill bit. Wait, the camera's over there, isn't it? It's not over there anymore. We've got a drill bit that works, a drill that works, a bolt that fits, a nut that fits, and a washer that fits.
We can get the job done now.
I already drilled 3 holes though. I didn't drill the 4th one down the bottom corner.
Do you plan to?
Nope. But I do need to make this one slightly bigger.
We flip it over and repeat. He's maybe one of my best friends that I trust.
Doesn't trust me with the drill though. Hey,
Well,
we
that
drilled
doesn't-
holes in Dean's wall and didn't blow anything up.
But does not stop that being so terrifying when it's in your face.
Ah,
There's one thing when you got a drill going at that volume going that way. There's another thing when it's coming down your hands next to it.
It wasn't next to it, it was just in the general vicinity. That's not next to. Right.
Now do they match?
Well, they should do because we've lined them up with the same bloody holes. So we've got there and there. But I need to drill that hole there Which, to be honest, looks like it's a bit further over. But it'll be alright, because it is lined up there. It was lined up there. Unless you let it move, it'll be fine.
I didn't let it move in the slightest. Then again, I was looking away.
Then again, I wasn't paying attention. Great.
No, I was paying attention.
Cheers.
I was just like,
Right.
if my hand's going to go, I don't want to see it.
Right. Now comes the fun part. I need you to hold this corner down while I drill that one. Or that one. Your choice.
Let's get out. Okay, all the holes are drilled, so the mic will no longer be getting muted.
Well, 6 of them, because we only have 6 nuts. So.
Shh, they don't need to know that part.
They already know that part, because I told them that part.
Shh, they don't know.
I've lost the other nuts. There they are.
God, what is it with us and nuts? Can't keep hold of them. Right.
Speak for yourself.
Now, well, this bit here, need to get the end off one of these ones, which I've left on it by accident, wherever it went. Here it is. Look at this one here, this one, okay.
Where's that carrier bag?
Right here. Right, screw this into here.
And the main reason I wasn't using alcohol yet, I was getting the glumps off. The alcohol's for getting all of it off.
Clean. Right, now I need the little ones. Damn it, I put them down, didn't I?
Indeed you did.
Well, we haven't blown up.
That's a
And
plus.
we've drilled holes. It's a good start to the day. Or the evening, as the case may now be. Do you know what I was meant to do tonight?
What?
I was going to drive somewhere.
Is that even happening now?
Well, I was meant to go to Ulverston, which is like
No, put
a
that
fair
back.
way away. So that's how you would have got it on the bottom. Would have stuck to your finger.
I think I hate mouthful base. It's fucking everywhere.
That's why I would have cleaned it off in the socket. And then took it out of the socket to get the little bits.
Probably been an idea, but I didn't want to get it all over your fucking motherboard.
It's easier to clean off the motherboard than it is out of pins. Okay, so we stick this one here.
The big question I have is how much did you fucking need to use?
It's a big socket.
You did not need to use this flipping much.
I didn't, it just smushed. It's because I put it on and went, oh shit, put it on the wrong way around. So I took it off and flipped it round. And I was like, I might put a little bit more paste on. So I put a little bit more paste on.
Turns out that little bit more paste wasn't needed.
It was, because it smushed it all out the middle, so there was nothing in the middle. I was like, oh well. I was like, I'll get a bit more paste on it just to make it a little bit better. Who let us loose with a drill, Simon?
You did? Or could you technically say your family?
I'm going to blame my dad. He wasn't here to stop me.
Bottom looks safe. Clean area.
Wait, which
That's safe.
is this the side we drilled first or second?
Second. Why?
I was just checking.
Right, the rest of it's an alcohol job.
Now I want to get this screwed into here. Get the bolt on there. Okay. Now I need the third one. Because I can put a third one on it. Can I wait? Oh, there's only 3 nuts. I'm missing a nut. It was there like 3 seconds ago. It was right here. Oh, got it. I got it. We're good. Found the nut.
Still even have frame drop at yours at times.
I've told you, it's not your internet. It's just Mixer or OBS bitching about something.
It's so I'm pretty sure it's something to do with the connection between OBS and Mixer because XSplit doesn't have it. And XSplit's under a bunch of updates to their thing now. They now actually have a 64-bit version. And I've literally said to them, there's like two... Huh?
It doesn't line up. How can it not line up? We put the screws in so it would line up.
Yeah.
Because I've tightened these down a while.
So I've literally said to XSplit, "Hey, Angry Turtle, how's it going?"
Angry Turtle.
Yes.
That's a good name. What would an angry turtle really do, though?
I've actually said to XSplit, you've got 2 things that are stopping me from transferring from OBS to over to your platform now. I need multi-track recording for when I record videos, and makes it easy to edit. So every set of audio's got its own track line. And I also need the ability to adjust all my audios in a mixer setting like that. Because at the moment, how as XSplit does it, it's all mic and desktop. It's all one bar.
Oh, you. No, it's okay. It's okay. No. I haven't messed up.
Good. What about me? I'm good. Like I said, doing a whole PC build today. We're still pretty much at the start. You haven't missed much.
We drilled some holes.
Yeah, we drilled some holes and
Tried to.
for some custom modding in the case, which the case will come back on shortly. But this is my good friend JP. This is his PC we're building.
Trying to.
I mean, we've only been at this for an hour, and
But we knew this was going to be the long bit.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so without these wires being here, this is how it will look inside the case. Very nice on the side, and it'll match on the other side. So it's kind of like little horns.
And that's the custom modding we've done to the case. So that's what we did the drilling for, because the holes that we just screwed that into didn't come as a part of the case as standard.
Now I want to unscrew. Oh, you.
What?
Where's that bag of bits with the Allen keys in it? Does this have my little teeny tiny weeny Allen key in it?
I think so. Because I seen another one in there.
No, it has lots of Allen keys. I need the teeny tiny one. I think it's this one. It better be.
Now the question is, that's the one you put on that side. Is that the one with the crack?
No, crack on the other side.
I'm sure the crack had to go on this side. Because the crack was on the back. Then.
Data scanned. Downloading files.
Joe, if you're right, I'm going to hurt you. You know that, right? Oh, wait, that is the one with the crack.
Well, this is it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I was right.
Yeah, you were right, and I had the right one in the first place. Means I don't have to hurt you.
Why what?
Why?
Why what? What about the custom modding or something?
Why? Be more specific on your question, good sir. Yeah. You see, the problem is, I broke the pump. I didn't break the pump, I broke the mounting bracket for the pump. If I unscrew these, I'll show you what I mean. Because this is meant to be one piece.